Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discuss about a project, a 2-speed Radix 4 serial parallel multiplayer. In recent, all digital signal processing and machine learning applications will have lot of priority. One in multiplications, it's most important to deactivate the area, delay and power and improve overall performance with parallel implementations. In this case, this number of multiplications will have a number of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtractions. Okay, so it will take more logic phases with critical paths and more power consumptions. Due to resolve this problem, here this proposed work will present the optimizations of Radix 4 multiplication circuits has been extensive using modified Booth multiplier algorithm with SQRT carry select adder to improve overall performance and reduce the logic sizes with critical path compared to velocity and data multipliers. Finally, this work will present in Verilog HTLs and synthesized in Xilinx FPGA and proved comparisons terms of area, delay and power. Okay, so we can verify this paper. So this is a basic examples of unsigned 2's complement multiplications p equal to x comma y, where x is the multiplicand and y is the multiplier, and x and y are their respective n equal to 4-digit vector in the Radix 2 conventional number systems. Okay, so you can verify this based upon the Booth algorithm. This multiplications will be processed and will be get output of 117. Okay, so with 4 number of iterations. Okay, so as per this block they are designed for different kind of multipliers. Example, serial parallel multiplier, parallel to serial multiplier, and parallel multiplier, parallel pipeline multiplier, and 2-speed multiplier. This kind of things they will be right upon this paper. But here the proposed work is this figure 3. Okay, the n-bit TSM. Okay, 2-speed multipliers. Okay, this contain added control circuit for skipping and operating with 2 different delay path. Okay, they are shown the 2 different delay path. One is this model and another one is this model. Okay, and this models will be functioning with a combinational circuit. Okay, once the multiplicand input will came, it will collect that data from serially and it will generate the partial products with the number of additions with the iteration basics. Okay, as per this algorithm, this architectures will be present. Okay, so based upon that we will be design this architectures in Verilog HTL. Okay, you can verify it. This is a Booth algorithm based 2-seed multiplications. Okay, so this is a test bench. Okay, and this is a Booth algorithm. Okay, this is a 2-seed Booth algorithm, and inside of the carry select adder you can verify the HSG, CG, CS, FSG. It will be different one. Okay, so why? Because we are choose this paper, area, delay, power efficient carry select adder. Okay, so this paper will have a modified carry select adder with using for SQRT carry select adder. Okay, so based upon this is a normal architecture. The figure 1 is a normal carry select adder, but here they will be handled for HSG, half sum generation, half carry generation, full sum generation and full carry generations with BEC based. Okay, so overcome this existing carry select adders, here it will present a new proposed carry select adder. It will work on the n size stretches. Okay, so based upon that we will choose this carry select adder method. Okay, on here the Booth applications. Actually this Booth algorithms will be worked out on n size. Okay, if you change n equal to 4, n equal to 8, n equal to 16, n equal to 32, whatever bit size will be needed, we can possible to change and we can work it out. Okay, and this is a simulation output. Okay, so here the multiplicand and multiplier and product. Okay, as per the initial input we are given 13, 9. Okay, so you can verify the base paper. Okay, so here they are given x equal to 13 and y equal to 9. As per that we are given the simulation, initial value is 13 and the multiplier value is 9. Okay, so we will be multiplied that and we will get the output 117. Okay, so here the 117th iterations it will be get. Okay, so we are called this thing in 8-bit multiplications. Okay, so if we can possible to show it in 4 cycles also at 4 iterations. Okay, and the same output will be came. Okay, and second output is 14, 11. Okay, so you can verify this 14 into 11 equal to 154 output. Okay, and the third one is 15 into 13. Okay, so 195. The output will came 195 on here. Okay, 15 into 13, 195. Okay, and now you can see the synthesis report in Xilinx. Okay, this is a summary. Okay, so slice registers, LUTs, occupied slices, IO base. Okay, and delay we can check on here. Okay, so this one is a delay, and RTL schematic, the Booth algorithm. Okay, so this is a Booth algorithms. Okay, with two stages, and this is a carry select adder. It's a combinational stages. Okay, and this is a HSG, CG, CS, FSG. Okay, based Booth algorithm RTL schematic, and this one is a power report. Power will take 3.528. Actually, this is a 4-bit structures. Okay, so here, okay, input is 4-bit, multiplication input and multiplier input, product output is 8-bit. Okay, as per that the power will take 3.528 volt. Okay, so here this work will synthesize in Vertex 5 LX330T minus 2 FTT 1738 FPGA. Okay, as per this comparisons will be plotted on here. Okay, this is a comparison chart. Okay, so here will be designed a 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit and 128-bit comparisons. Okay, so with the slice registers, LUTs, occupied slice, IO based delay and power. Okay, so this is a comparison chart, and we will return abstract document for this project. This is a title, base paper abstract, announcement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system. Okay, so carry selector based nodes, and disadvantages, proposed systems, multiplications part. Okay, so all the detailed nodes we are given on here. Okay, and this is a flowchart for Booth algorithm. Okay, so once the start process will be start. Okay, afterwards initialize with a multiplicand, multiplier and Q0 A and number of bits. Okay, so then will be check the value of Q0 and Q1. Okay, it's a LSB part, LSB last 2-bit numbers. Okay, as per that, once it will be false means will be check A equal to A minus M. Once it will be true means A equal to A plus M. Okay, after that will be shifted with arithmetic right shift. Okay, and N equal to N minus 1 and N equal to number of bits will be checked. Okay, again the loop will be going on this part. Okay, up to N equal to, actually if you choose the 4-bit means the 4 iterations will be take. 8 means 8 iterations will be take. Okay, so depends upon the n size, the iterations will be modified. Okay, finally will be take the result A equal to A comma Q. Okay, and advantages literature survey. Okay, finally references. Okay, thank you.